Please excuse me. I decided it was a good idea to make a YouTube video while eating.
Yep.
Chicken nuggets, everyone.
Mini ravioli.
Well, anyhow, this girl around here, since I'm getting back into video making swing, you're gonna see her around a lot.
Hi.
So I decided that, even though that there's probably gonna be a mega video spam from me today, that she ought to introduce herself.
I'm Catherine. I'm her best friend, and I'm in love with Nick. What's his name?
Pytira.
Pytira. He's a YouTuber. Look him up if you don't know who he is. He's awesome.
And she's a directioner.
I am. I'm a total directioner.
And she makes 10-minute videos of her cat licking self.
I was completely bored, and I wanted to see how long it took her to groom herself.
Oh yeah, I like food.
She does. Well, I think we both do.
Anyhow, yeah, my next video is gonna be a cover of Some Nights. I think this is enough now. Say bye, Catherine. And she's not a dumb blonde. She's a very intelligent one.
I'm not. I just come off as it.
Bye!